best Shopify strategies in 2025 step-by-step guide. In this video, I'm breaking down the best Shopify strategies in 2025 that will drive traffic, boost conversions, and scale your store to 6 to 7 figures a month. Now, let's dive in. Most Shopify stores fail, but here's how mine made $1 million instead. The difference? A powerful marketing strategy. If you're still relying on outdated methods, you could be leaving thousands on the table. Here's the hard truth. It's not enough to have a great product. If one sees it, you won't make sales. Many Shopify stores struggle because they rely too much on expensive paid ads, have no organic traffic strategy, aren't leveraging data-driven marketing. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to drive traffic without spending a fortune on ads, build a marketing funnel that converts, use AI and automation to scale faster than ever. Now, let's jump into the best marketing strategies you need to implement in 2025. Step 1. YouTube Reels and Instagram Reels. That's the future of free traffic. Why you need it? Short form video content is exploding, and YouTube Reels and Instagram Reels have the highest organic reach of any platform. And here's how to do it. 1. Create engaging 15 to 30 second videos showcasing product demos, tutorials, or unboxings. 2. Follow viral trends and incorporate trending audio to enhance discoverability. 3. Post consistently. That's anywhere from 3 to 5 times per day to maximize exposure and test different content styles. 4. Leverage UGC, which is user-generated content, to build credibility and connect with your audience. And 5. Include a CTA, which is known as a call to action in every video. Tell viewers to visit your store, sign up for an email list, or follow for more deals. Here's a pro tip. A single viral YouTube reel can bring in thousands of free sales overnight. Test different video styles and hooks. Step 2. Email and SMS marketing. Convert leads into loyal customers. Why you need it? Email and SMS marketing generates up to 40% of e-commerce revenue when done right. And here's how to set it up. Capture leads with irresistible pop-up offers using Klaviyo or Privy. For example, you can put something like get 10% off when you insert your phone number or email address for first-time buyers. Step 2, design an abandoned cart sequence with email number 1, send in an hour later after they added that product to their cart. It's going to say something like friendly reminder with product details. Email number 2 is going to go out 24 hours later, and that one's just going to have a slight urgency reminder using something like a FOMO, which is fear of missing out. So you can say something like items in your cart, hurry, because this product is almost sold out. And email number 3 is going to go out 48 hours later, and it's going to say something like last chance with an exclusive discount. All right, so moving on to number 3, you're going to send engaging welcome emails to new subscribers, introducing your brand and best sellers. Number 4, you're going to run weekly email campaigns featuring flash sales, best-selling products, and limited time offers. And last but not least, you're going to implement that SMS marketing for high priority messages. So this is going to say something like exclusive sales, back in stock alerts, and VIP customer perks. Here's a pro tip. Use personalization emails with customer's name and a product recommendation to increase sales by 50%. Step 3, paid ads with AI optimization. Why you need it? Meta, which is also known as Facebook and Instagram, and YouTube ads still work, but AI optimization is key to success. And here's how to run profitable ads. Step 1, use AI tracking tools like TripleWell or Hyros to analyze ad performance and optimize your spend. Step 2, launch UGC style video ads. These outperform polished ad creatives because they feel authentic and engaging. Step 3, create a retargeting campaign to bring back warm leads. That includes abandoned carts, previous visitors, and email subscribers. Step 4, test multiple creatives and audience segments. Scale only the ones with the highest ROAS, which is also known as return on ad spend. And lastly, use dynamic product ads, also known as DPA, on Facebook to automatically showcase relevant products based on your users' browsing behavior. Here's a pro tip. So don't scale your ads too fast. Double your budget only if you're getting a 3x on your ROAS. Step 4, leverage influencer and affiliate marketing. Why you need it? Influencers and affiliates drive trust and social proof, helping you scale without high ad costs. Here's how to do it. Step 1, find micro influencers. These people typically have anywhere from 10K to 100K followers in your niche with engaged audiences. Step 2, offer commission-based partnership through an affiliate marketing program. That can include Reversions, GoAfPro, Snowball, or UpPromote. Step 3, use Instagram and YouTube collabs to expand your reach and borrow credibility. Step 4, send influencers free products, yes, free products, in exchange for authentic reviews and product demonstration. And lastly, you gotta track the influencer's performance by giving them a unique discount code and affiliate tracking links. Here's a pro tip. Micro influencers convert better than big influencers. They have higher engagement rates. Step 5, SEO and content marketing for long-term growth. Why you need it? Because SEO brings in free traffic and compounds over time. And here's how to optimize for SEO. Step 1, optimize product pages with high converting keywords. You can use Uber Suggest and SEM Rush to find search terms. Step 2, create high quality blog posts answering customers' questions and posting your products as a solution. If you deal with Shopify, which my channel, that's all I deal with is Shopify. Shopify does have a blog page for you to make blog posts and add links directing them to the product that you're discussing in your blog post. All right, step 3, use Pinterest SEO to rank for visual search terms. Optimize pins with keyword-rich descriptions. Step 4, earn backlinks from influencers and industry sites by collaborating on a guest post and PR mentions. Step 5, update old content regularly to keep rankings high in search results. Here's a pro tip. A single high ranking blog post can bring in passive traffic and sales for years. Check it out, y'all. I tested these exact strategies in my own Shopify store and I saw a 300% increase in sales. And I like to be very transparent with my audience, so here's a screen proof to show my exact sales for my store using Klaviyo, SMS Bump, Facebook, and Google Ads. So check it out, y'all. If you're serious about scaling your Shopify store in 2025, I'm gonna need you to do this right now. Comment Marketing 2025 below if you want my free Shopify growth checklist, or get my free Shopify scaling guide by checking the link in my bio. Also, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Shopify growth strategies. That's it for now. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Oh, before you go, real quick, before you leave, if you enjoyed this video, check out my next video where I reveal the best Shopify apps if you want to 10x your sales, if you want to scale faster. You can't afford to miss this one. Peace.